Hi there everyone, welcome to Shisha Creative. Today's video is about how to make the best out of waste. So I have some items that I've pulled out from the attic and I'm going to see what I can make best out of that. These are some of the things that I've been storing up for no reason. Sometimes you just keep all of this aside and think that someday it will be of some use. So I think today is the day. So I have a protein shake bottle. I have a plank, the remaining of the interiors that we have done. So I have a lot of wool. So for this project, I'm going to choose this color because I think this will go best with the interiors. What we are going to do today is a plant stand. So first I'm going to conceal the edges of this plank because it is quite dangerous to have sharp edges, and then we are going to decorate the bottle with the wool and other decorative items, and then we will see how to stick them and make this into a utility feature as well. First I'm going to just stick the edges with a colorful tape. This is red, what I've chosen is red. I've covered all three sides with the tape, so it's neat now. And this is going to be like a corner pot stand. And the bottle is also red color, but we will be covering half of the bottle with wool. So I think the bottom part and the top part will be seen. I hope it looks good. Now for the decoration of the bottle, I have already applied Fevicol just a little bit, and I have stuck the starting of the wool over here. And next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep rolling the wool, set it, and then apply Fevicol on top of it. Not throughout, but only in one line, so that that can come at the back of the stand. So now I'm done here. So I'm going to cut the wool here. So I'm going to paste Fevicol throughout this line. The glue is all dried up, so take the exact center and then we can stick the bottle on the stand. I'm going to use the bottle for storing items that are not used on daily basis. Just trying to give the house a better look and making use of the space. Now I have 3 corner pot stands. These two are just vases. I have just stuck the stand on top of that, and I have used quills to cover the edges. Like, share and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.